Hello everyone. I know what you're gonna say. Where have you been, girl? I'm here now. That's all that matters, okay? First of all, my first excuse is gonna be, there's a whole pandemic going on. My second excuse is not an excuse, it's a confession. I'm really lazy to film and edit videos. That's what it comes down to, okay? That's what it comes down to. I have no excuses. So I apologize, but I'm back and I'm better and emotionally stable now, kind of. So anyways, a few things have changed. I have bangs now. I gained 20 pounds thanks quarantine, and my teeth are crooked. Gotta love it. I stopped using my small direct clip retainers. I will be making a video on that, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is the makeup look that I have been using anytime that I leave the house, to go to Walmart or whatever. I don't know why I keep doing my lips when I'm going to Walmart and I'm wearing a mask. I'm eating a grilled cheese sandwich that looks really gross, but it's bomb. I basically just wanted to come on here, there's a hair on me and it tickled, and do my day-to-day makeup. I don't do my makeup every day for obvious reasons, because who leaves the house nowadays. So well, this is the Laura Mercier foundation primer. I got this Tula Skincare Glow Brightening Stick for my under eyes. It's very cooling, especially right now where it's hotter than the devil's armpit outside. And my room is hot, so if you hear a noise, it's my fan on turbo. I have been loving my Garnier Skincare BB Cream. It has SPF of 20. We're looking like this. I am using my Sonia Kashuk sponge. You can get this at Target. It's freaking awesome. I love it. I kind of like the natural look of not... What am I saying? Guys, work. I just got out of work a few minutes ago, and work has my brain freaking fried. And I'm still recovering from... I have been really into brightening my inner corner and my outer, this part, with highlighter, concealer. I'm telling you, can't speak. And I just do bloop bloop, bloop bloop. You just blend it out and blend it in on top too. You just drag it to the top, so it gives you that snatched look. Like, you can tell it automatically brightened my eyes. Maybe you can't tell, but I love it because it just automatically wakes me up. Or it doesn't wake me up because I'm fucking tired, but it gives me that woken up or bright, like I got a good night's sleep, and I haven't gotten a good night's sleep since I was a freaking toddler. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I just set my under eye so the concealer doesn't go anywhere. And I like to set my whole nose because it should be oily. Apply it on my chin and around my mouth because I get oily there as well. This part don't really get that oily, so it's fine, it's cool. This is my butter bronzer, which I dropped and unfortunately broke. But it's okay, we're going strong. And I just use this on the side of my face, not necessarily a contour, just giving me some color for my pasty self. And then just a little bit on the bottom of my lip. This isn't really the best for a nose defining or a contour because it does have a little bit of shimmer. It's fine, it's fine. Boom, bronze. Now I'm using the Rimmel Maxi Blush. It's just this super natural blush, but it is buildable, so I like it. If you know me or if you've seen me in person, you know I love the blush. I think it makes me feel cute, hey there. Don't tell my boyfriend. I usually focus on the apples of my cheeks and bring it up here, just because it I feel like it gives my face a little lift. And then I put a little bit on my nose and on my chin, and that just kind of brings it all together so it doesn't look like it's just right here. It's kind of all over the face, like she blushing or whatever. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray Weightless, whatever that means. This is a really nice spray. I got it in my BoxyCharm. So, oh yeah, I have a BoxyCharm. If you guys want me to do BoxyCharm videos, let me know. Oh, it's in my eye. Oh god. Oh god, it's in my eye. Oh shit. I'm just going to comb my eyebrows. The way that I comb them is I comb this up. All the way up. And then I comb the top layer to the side. You see how I comb it that way? And then I just bring like this to flatten out those hairs. And that's how I shape my eyebrows. Boom. Eyebrows. Check. How has your quarantine been going? Girl, mine has been a trip. Let me tell you. I'm using my Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer that I got on my BoxyCharm. So what I do with the eyeshadow, I just go on my cap for my translucent powder and get that little extra powder that was on the cap and just tap it in to set. And I'm using my bronzer. And I'm gonna use the Solar Flare palette by BH Cosmetics using the color Orb, just because there's that comment and this just kind of makes you look a little fancy schmancy. That's it for eyeshadow. Boom. Boom shakalaka. You can do a wing if you wanted to. I'm not going to because ain't nobody got time for that. We in a rush. I'm going to use the Bambi Eyes mascara. I have been loving this mascara. This is by L'Oreal, and I accidentally got it in a dark brown color. And I was like, I don't like the dark brown. It's gonna look stupid, whatever. I like black mascara. But I tried it and I love it. It gives me the most natural, soft looking eyes. So I think brown mascara is like my go-to for that dewy, sun-kissed look. Because black mascara can look a little harsh sometimes. If that's what you like, you can stop here. But I like the bottom lashes to be coated with mascara. And that's it for mascara. Now I'm using the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Liner. And this is just a regular lip liner. Oh, I'm a little crusty today. Now that we are all lined up, you can move it around a little. And I'm gonna use this Almay lip gloss in the color Just Plum. And it's kind of like a little reddish lip gloss. And it gives you a little color to your lip. And I haven't shaved my mustache, so mind your business. This is how the lip looks after we have done that. And yeah, make sure you don't have any gloss on your teeth. That's the finished look. Boom. This is the natural. Hey, I'm here to the barbecue where there's only 5 people because we're not allowed to have a lot of people because we're social distancing. So that is the finished look. If you guys like it or recreate it, please let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Angeles Dareli. It's ANGELES DARELI. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna try to make more videos often. I know I said that last time, and I know I've said that so many times, but I promise I'm serious about this shit now. I'm serious because I'm tired of working for the man. I really do want to become my own boss, but like the way things are going right now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a good day or night or whatever. And yeah, I look forward to being back on here. Thank you.